What's up guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're just going to go around the downtown Miami area and just go on a nice little evening stroll and take a look at some of the cars that are around here. We decided that we're a little bit bored on a Saturday night and we don't really want to go clubbing, so first thing we'll do is take a look at my car. Very, very nice. You guys know it. Guys, take a look at this building before we move forward. Imagine paying more than $1 million per apartment just to get blocked by this building. Here we have a GTR. Yo, Beamer. Yo, Beamer. Look at how fascinating this is. So, everything around it is a skyscraper. But then you have like this little apartment building here. And here we have the G63. Very nice. White and black combo. You can never go wrong with that. And you see these beautiful buildings here. I mean, it's just so mesmerizing, guys. I mean, the architecture, the lights, everything. It's awesome. Over there, you see the GL63. Interesting. I really like that. Kind of like a hatchback SUV crossover look. It's really nice. Some people call it like the Eggmobile. I don't know why. It looks very aggressive, especially with the black car there. It looks great. Oh, dude, look at this turbo. 911 turbo. That looks nice. Oh, and this is a CLS here. It might be the CLS 550. Definitely not the AMG. This is a nice one. This is really nice. I mean, I've always loved the CL63, the CLS 63. Very, very nice. Nice rims too. Love it. Camera guy, get this shot right now. That is just insane. Cullen. Rolls-Royce Cullen.
Happy to be wealthy in a good position in life.
Happy to not be you. Now, when we make a left over here, there's a restaurant called Komodo. Very expensive, very good restaurant. There, the lineup tends to be very good, so let's go see what's over there. Something that you guys cannot feel, you can see on our face, is that it's very humid.
Humid.
Six-cylinder Camaro. Oh! Oh! Yo! We made it! I want to tell you guys, the lineup is pretty nice here. We got a 488 Lamborghini Urus in a matte gray color. Very nice.
Damn, bro, I told them to park my car in the garage. Not out here. Yo, venga.
Look at that 488, dude.
Fuck.
The rims right there. Nice Escalade here. I mean, I want to tell you guys, I was not wrong. This is the Durango SRT Hellcat. That's super rare. I've actually never seen one in person, so very nice to see that.
That's just hard.
That is hard.
That shit is hard.
Look at that. Get a shot of it.
Straight out the dealership. No license plate, nothing.
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm not sure if that was a bike or an Italian sports car. Oh. I think that's an Aventador. That is an Aventador. That is an Aventador. It's gonna come through there.
Bro, I swear if you're right.
No, it's definitely gonna come through there. Unless my ears deceive me. At 25 years old. I guess we're not gonna.
Let's cross now, let's cross now.
It is tempting to pass now. Run, camera guy, run. Actually, no. That looks to be LCH 500, the Lexus. Whoa! I used to valet over there, the W Hotel. I used to drive, well, I used to valet really, really nice cars here. I mean, the nicest car right now that I look back on, that I've driven, was the Aventador, but my favorite had to have been the C63 Black Series. That was a really unique car. Decent Challenger. Not sure yet. So now we're making our way towards Brickell City Center. Kind of like the high-end mall of downtown. Nice Mazda, Miata. The MX-5, very nice. Nothing worth noting here. We got a Charger here. Is it an SUV? It is. Nice. I love that red, man. It's not too in your face, but it's very like classy. Yo, you hear the beats?
Doongy doon jiggy doon jiggy doon jiggy doon jiggy doon.
Got your nice Panamera 4. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Walk up in a running valley.
Seriously? Why my boy look like the situation though? That is essentially Tesla's competitor, Lucid Motors.
For real?
I'm very interested to see what vehicles are produced by Lucid. Really, they don't really have much of a name yet, but who knows how much market share they get over the next 2 or 3 years. Don't tell me, don't tell me. No, that's definitely a cool thing. The Continental GT. But it's very nice. Look at this wide body Charger Hellcat. I think that's the one from before, I'm not sure. Very nice. That's the brand new Lexus IS 350.
Oh my god.
Very. Now look at this Carrera over here. Nice stuff. Boy brought the top down. And the Boxster. I believe it's a Boxster. Yes, that is a Boxster. That is a Kia Stinger. Very nice. Such a low-key car. No one knows how fast this thing is, but it's pretty fast off the line. Oh, look at this. It's a Phantom.
Yeah.
Mexican. Well, not Mexican.
Yeah, that is a Phantom. Bro, that has to be like a 2000 like 6 or 7, and it just looks amazing in today's standards. It's a base C6 Corvette convertible. Very nice. Oh, look at the Huracan right here. Woo! That is nice. Following behind it, a Mac Gray Q8. Yo, they must be in a crew or something like that. You saw that, right?
Yeah.
Here we have a X6 hybrid. This is kind of like the competitor, in my opinion, and in shape. of the GLC that we saw earlier. I don't think it's the X6M. It was. That would be inaccurate. Here we have a yellow urus. We have a. All it is really is an obese Huracan. Look at that. That is lovely. There, gotta get a button. And here we have the all-new Model Y. Very nice. Crazy guy. C63, yes. We've seen this guy already. Biker squad. Oh my god. Oh, look at the camaro over there. Bumblebee. Oh, I believe that's the Bentayga. The SUV one. And you have a tractor behind. Cool. Look at that. Nice. Oh, this isn't it. Yo, I've been completely butchering some cars tonight. This is actually a Genesis. I think it's a 340. See? Oh. Debadged. We are left to assume. Right in the distance, guys. A brand new Corvette C8. It really does not look like a Corvette. It really doesn't. Kind of like a late model Ferrari. Something. Oh, there's two of them.
No way.
There's two of them. So we have the yellow one.
No fucking.
Very, very nice. And we have the red one. That is insane. Very nice. I wonder if they were both rented out together or they're just boys that are like, yo, let's meet up. Only thing is, I'm not too much of a fan of the exhaust tips. Kind of weak, in my opinion. And over here, we have a Bentley Continental GT. Surprising. Very nice. I reviewed one of these things, and man, the interior was just. Okay, guys, so there you have it. That is the walk around, car spot with me video that we filmed today. Hope you guys found it informative, somewhat entertaining. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you guys want to see more of these? Don't forget to hit the like button if you did enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. That is the goal for 2021. And last but not least, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos or my walk-arounds or my reviews. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.